The application that I have chosen to do is the license plate recognition using OpenCV Python. So it involves 3 main steps, that is the license plate detection, character segmentation, character recognition. So in the license plate recognition, we will detect the license plate from a car, and then we will use the contour option in OpenCV to detect for rectangular object to find the number plate. This is for license plate detection. Then the second part is the character segmentation, where when we detect the license plate, we crop it and save it as a new image. Finally, we have character recognition. We will be using OCR, that is optical character recognition, to get the number on the license plate. So I will first run the program. So this is the car, and as you can see that it has surrounded the license plate in red. Find the contours and surrounded it in red. This is the cropped image that we obtain, and as you can see in the terminal, it shows the license plate number. How does the program works? We first load the image, and then we resize the image to avoid any problem with bigger resolution images, and then we convert the image to grayscale. On this grayscale image, we will apply bilateral filter to remove any unwanted details from the image. This is the image. We want to remove any unwanted details in the image. So then we apply a canny edge detection to find the edges in the image. Once this is done, we find the contours in the image, and once we find the contour, we look for the big and small ones, such that we can sort them from big to small, and then we mask the image except from the curve plate part. That is, once we apply the fine contour, we will get the contours in the image, and when we have four contours that forms a rectangle, we will get this part, and once we get this part, we will mask the background of the image such that we have only the number plate, and then we will crop the image and save it as a new image. Once we get the new image, that is the cropped image, we will output it. This is when we apply the contour, fine contour in OpenCV, and this is the cropped image. Then we will use character recognition to read the image, that is the crop image, to get the final output as the number. That is how we get the license plate from